To perform the hard reset on your JBL Tune 510 Bluetooth headphones, first of all, you have to be sure that you power off your headphones by using this power button. So click and hold it and wait until indicator turns off. Now release, and on your device that you are actually connected, so in my case on the smartphone, I have to open the Bluetooth settings and remove my previously connection. I mean the current connection from the headphones. So click on the forget device and click to forget device one more time. Now we have to turn on our headphones by using this power button. So click and hold it and wait until indicator starts blinking blue. So it will take around 3 or 4 seconds. Now release, and next step is to click and hold these two buttons and wait until indicator turns white. So click and hold. As you can see, now it is blinking white, and it means that we successfully performed the hard reset. So all you have to do is just turn off your headphones by using this button. And now just repeat and click and hold the power button and wait until the indicator turns blue. There we go. Now on your device you can just repair them, and it will probably fix any issues that you have with this device. Now it is looking for the device, but here we can find them. So click accept the pairing, and right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.